Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2018 Mercedes-Benz V220D Sport long wheelbase. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing out some of the main standout features on the car. Starting with the exterior, you can see our example here comes with the 8-seat configuration, including 2 seats in the front, 3 seats in the middle and 3 seats in the very back. The vehicle does come with the panoramic glass sunroof as well, with the 2 separate glass screens visible above. You get the LED high performance headlamps at the front with the daytime running lights, the LED rear lamps, privacy glass, the 18-inch diamond turn design sport alloy wheels. You also get a full leather interior upholstery, a leather trimmed multi-function steering wheel, access to all of your infotainment systems throughout the centre console with the touchpad, electrically opening and closing rear doors, a reversing camera with front and rear parking sensors, as well as many more features visible in the description below. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.